Hey guys, I'm Lauren and today I'll be showing you guys how to make Swiss Meringue Buttercream. Let's get started! So the first thing you need to do is separate your eggs. The only part of the egg you want is the white. When you do this, you will have leftover egg yolks. You could use those to make pastry cream or save them for things like cake. To separate an egg, you need to crack an egg in half and toss the egg yolk from shell to shell. As you do this, the egg white will drop in the bowl. Once you have the whole egg white, put the yolk in a separate bowl than the whites. Next, you're going to cut your butter into small pieces. While I'm cutting that, I'm going to tell you a little bit about Swiss Meringue Buttercream. Swiss Meringue Buttercream is a meringue-based buttercream. It is smooth, silky, and yummy. It is way less sweet than American buttercream, but it's still sweet. It kind of reminds you of ice cream, buttercream, and whipped cream mixed together. It's delicious. Now I'm going to measure my sugar. And measure my vanilla. Now I have all of my ingredients. Next, you're going to take a clean bowl to your KitchenAid mixer or a normal metal bowl if you mix it by hand. You can do this, but it gets tiring. Next, you're going to fill a pot with a little bit of water. The water in the pot should not touch the bowl when you put it inside. Next, you are going to fill your bowl with your egg whites and your sugar and whisk that together until it's pretty combined. Next, you're going to turn the pot on. As you whisk, you'll be able to tell that the mixture is getting thinner, and that is supposed to happen. That is perfectly fine, and that is how the sugar will dissolve, and then you can start whipping. To know that it's ready, you can slightly put your fingers in there, but beware that it's hot, so you can slightly put your fingers there, rub it between your fingers, and if you do not feel any sugar, then the mixture is ready. Once your sugar is dissolved, you're going to put that on a stand mixer with the whisk attachment and whip that until when you touch the bowl, it's nice and cool. There is no warmth or nothing. It's just normal room temperature meringue. You will know when it's ready when it has stiff peaks. Once it was ready, I put it in the fridge for 10 minutes so that it will not melt the butter. Next, I fitted the mixing bowl with a paddle attachment to be in the butter. I put the butter in the meringue mixture 1 tablespoon at a time. Make sure your butter is softened and not melted or like cold. To do this, you can just sit the butter out for about an hour or until you put your finger in it and it smushes, but without too much pressure. As you add a couple pieces of butter, you will see that the meringue mixture seems like it's deflating, but that's perfectly fine. After you add all the butter, beat it for a little bit, and then it will turn into perfectly smooth Swiss meringue buttercream. And that's how to make Swiss meringue buttercream. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on my post notifications so you know every time I post a video. Bye, guys!